soul's heartbeat. Windows whisper tales untold. In this house I'll never grow old. This is home where the shadows play, where the sunlight dances every day. The walls hold secrets, the air is free. Home is where I'm meant to be.
Mommy just want to clean you, bro. It's currently 10 a.m. and I still have about 45 minutes before my parents come, and then we're gonna head out for brunch. But I wanted to share with you guys what I carry in this bag, which is my current mom bag. So this is the bag that I bring when I bring Ollie out, and I wanted to share with you guys because I feel like I have brought him out enough to know what I need to bring, and I feel like I'm proud of myself for coming to this stage. So you might not have a dog, but you might be curious to know what you actually need to bring if you want to bring your dog out. So I got this bag from Taobao and I love it so much. I think it's $15, but it has so many compartments and it's a sling bag, so obviously very important to be hands-free. One time I brought Ollie out and I brought my LV Speedy, and that was like the worst decision ever. What I love about this bag is all the compartments. So I love that they have a compartment here where I put his water bottle. I got his water bottle from Taobao as well, and I love it because it actually comes with poop bags, so very convenient. I bring this out to his walks, and yeah, it's like I don't have to bring additional poop bags because it comes with it. I brought Ollie out yesterday, so I do have some other stuff in here like my sunglasses. These are from Taobao as well. I love them. And I got the book that I'm currently reading. I'm really struggling to finish this book. I feel like it's the way it is being written that I'm not really liking, but I'm like halfway through, so I don't think I should give up. I should just try and push through. I am really interested in the story though. And then inside there's also like many small compartments that yesterday I did bring like a pack of treats for him, but I took it out already. I have my AirPods, and then there's this other small pocket here that I put hand sanitizer spray, very important. I also have a little toy. Lastly, there are two compartments here which I put wet wipes, again very important, but these are smaller pack ones. Usually the pet wet wipes are huge because you use them so often, but I got these smaller pack ones. It's meant to bring out. And then over here I've got super absorbent paper towels, I think you'll call them. So it looks like this. It's not a pee pad, it's just a very absorbent tissue. I got these from Shopee, and you know, it's just to clean up their pee. I think it's much easier than using like 1,000 pieces of tissue paper. So yeah, that is what I bring, and my mom bag. He's not feeling well yesterday.
Cup on the table, steam almost gone.
Happy Mother's Day.
Clock in the corner, keeps ticking on. Shadow of blankets folded just so. Street in the distance, breathe and roll. I will stay right here until I fall asleep, watching the ceiling, count my quiet sheep. Every little worry folded in
These
a
are for
heap.
cats, but Ollie really loves
I will stay
ribbons.
right here
Cute.
until I fall asleep. Book on the bedside,